If you've ever bought deli meat from the store and later wondered what actually went into it, you're not alone. A lot of people are starting to question the ingredients, the preservatives, and, honestly, the cost of something that used to be simple food. But making deli meat at home? That usually sounds complicated until you see something like this. Today, we're looking at the Tuauoe Meat Press Mold for Deli Meats, a stainless steel ham maker that lets you prepare your own sliced meats at home without mystery ingredients or expensive store-bought packs. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. This is designed for home cooks, health-conscious families, meal preppers, and even small kitchen setups that want more control over what goes into their food. The idea is pretty simple. Take raw meat, season it the way you want, press it, cook it, and end up with deli-style slices that feel store-bought, but are fully homemade. At first glance, the build feels surprisingly solid. It's made from 304 stainless steel, which immediately gives it that "this will last" feeling instead of something lightweight or flimsy. The edges are smooth and rounded, so handling it doesn't feel sharp or risky. It's compact too, so it doesn't take over your kitchen space, which matters more than people think when you're dealing with multiple tools. The lid system and internal spring design are actually where things get interesting. Instead of just stuffing meat into a container, this system applies consistent pressure, which helps shape everything evenly. That means fewer air gaps, more uniform texture, and slices that don't fall apart when you cut them. It also comes with a thermometer, which takes a lot of guesswork out of cooking and helps you avoid undercooking or drying things out. Using it is more straightforward than it looks. You prepare your meat mixture, pack it inside, seal it, and let it cook. There's definitely a small learning curve the first time you use it, especially around seasoning balance and timing, but once you figure that out, it becomes a repeatable routine. The included silicone mitts are a small detail, but they actually help a lot when handling hot metal after cooking. Performance-wise, the biggest advantage here is control. You decide the meat quality, the seasoning, and what goes inside. That alone puts it in a completely different category compared to store-bought deli meats. The texture comes out firm but still sliceable, and when done correctly, it holds together well for sandwiches, salads, or meal prep boxes. Where it falls a bit short is speed and convenience. This isn't an instant food gadget. It requires planning, cooking time, and cleanup afterward. If you're expecting something quick like a sandwich maker or air fryer, this is not that kind of tool. But if you enjoy cooking or want cleaner eating habits, that trade-off might actually feel worth it. Compared to other home meat presses or deli molds in the same price range, the Tuauoe version stands out mainly because of its stainless steel build quality and included thermometer. Some cheaper models rely on thinner materials or don't give you proper temperature control, which can lead to inconsistent results. Higher-end options do exist, but they usually cost significantly more without adding better results for home use. This is really best suited for people who care about ingredients, enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, or want to cut down on processed food without giving up deli-style meals. It's not for someone looking for convenience or fast cooking, but it is for someone who values control and healthier eating over shortcuts. If that sounds like you, this is one of those kitchen tools that actually changes how you think about everyday food. And if you're curious, the link is in the description so you can check it out. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.